Hello, my lovely students. Hope you are all doing fine. Today's phonics lesson about entry words. I want you to prepare your books and whatever you need. Please be prepared before we start the lesson. Entry words. When you look up a word in a dictionary, you are looking up an entry word. An entry word is usually printed in bold. For example, you would look up the word country, not countries, stop, not stopping, and smile, not smiled. Now, what we get from this is when you want to look for a word in a dictionary, of course, you should look for the word, the basic one, the base word, without adding anything, like the word country. If you have the word countries and you want to know the meaning of it, you should look for the base word of this one, country, not countries. This called entry word. Or smiled. Smiled is a past tense, right? But we should look for the word smile without adding anything to it. Just the base word of smiled, which is smile, the original one. Now, my lovely student, you will learn more about this subject by reading these examples. Now, find the entry words. Look at number 1. You have two words, eat and eating. It's the same word, the same meaning, but with different tense. Which one you would choose for looking? Like if you want to look in the dictionary, would you choose eat or eating? It will be eat, of course. The original word of it, without addition, without adding anything to it. Number 2, you have cities and city. Which one is the original, the base word that you should look up? It's city. Very good. Now, number 3, we have books and book. It would be book. Number 4, go, went. Which one of these two is the base one, the original one? It's go. Very good. So this what we mean by saying entry words. We choose the base word to know what does it mean. Even if you have eating, you should remove the ing and just look for the original one, which is eat, then look up for it in the dictionary and you will have the meaning of it. My dear students, on page 148, you have some exercises. Let's try to solve it together. Now, you got to read these words and on the line beside it, write the entry word you would look for in a dictionary. The first word is lessons. Now, my dear student, I'm asking you to look up at any dictionary you have about this word. What is the base word that you will choose to look? We have lessons. Is there anything you should remove from this word? Yes, it's S. Then the original one will be lesson. Number 2, hiding. What is the base word of this one? It's hide. Good. Activities. Number 4, wrapped. Number 5, scolds. Number 6, hungrily. Number 7, foxes. Number 8, tripped. Number 9, carries. Number 10, laughing. 11, thinner. And finally, number 12, washed. Now what we did here, we removed the things, the letters that we added to the base word, to the original word. And all we have to do is to write the word without adding anything to it. This is what entry word means. Now, the other exercise. Use the dictionary entry below to answer the questions. Pupil. You have the word pupil. Pupil. And here it's telling you how many syllables in this word. Number 1, it's a noun. Noun, it means a student, a young person taught in a school. Number 2, noun, the eye opening that allows light to enter. So it has 2 meanings. And how many syllables? It's the first question. Number 1, how many syllables does pupil have? Look there. Pupil. Pupil. As we said before, how can we recognize the syllables? By knowing how many vowel sounds in the word, right? Pu, this is the first vowel sound. Pull. Oh, this is the second one, so we have 2. Very good. Number 2, can pupil be more than one part of a speech? It means it can be more than noun or verb or adjective, adverb, or only one figure of speech. As you can see there above in number 1 and 2, we said both of the meanings are noun. So it means that no, it can be only one part of speech, which is noun. So you write no. Good. Number 3. Which definition of a pupil is used in this sentence? Your pupils grow bigger when you are in a dark room. What does it mean? Does it mean a student or the other meaning we said about the eye opening? Good. We are doing so great so far. Now open your book on page 149. Let's start the exercise of this page. Okay. Read the paragraph below. Write the entry word on the line beside each word in bold. Now you have a paragraph and some words that are written in bold. Now we will look at the words that's written in bold, and we will write the original, the base one form of it. You can start reading and I will help you. The first bold word is enjoyed. So what is the base one of this word? Enjoyed. It's enjoy. Good. Recorded. Recorded. Where is the basic form of this? The base form of this word? It's record. Very good. So we remove the ed. Books. Book. Very good. So you write book without S. Adults. Again, you write it without S. And you continue so on with the rest of the bold words. Published, which is publish. Children's. Where is the base form of this word? It's children. Cold. folk tales, writing, written, kids, stories, tales, tigers, spots. Very good. Now, my dear students, I want you to look again at the paragraph 1, read it, and find me 2 words that they have the same sound as the word sport. Now, pronounce sport. Say it with me. Sport, sport, ort, right? Now, I want you to find me 2 words in paragraph 1, just like this vowel sound in a sport. And write it down on the line. The first one is, search for it again. Born. It's just like sport. Born, sport. So you write on the first line born. What about the second line? Recorded, record. Sport, record. It also has the same vowel sound. So you write it down on the second line. Now open your books on page 150, 151 and try to solve the review pages by yourself. You already have studied these subjects, so please, I want you to watch again the previous videos about these subjects, just to remember what these subjects are talking about. I will really appreciate it if you keep watching these videos anytime you feel like you forgot what we studied. It really will help you to remember, to keep refreshing your mind and activating your mind. So it's right that we finished the book now, but it doesn't mean that you should not study again. You should open your book whenever you have time and remind yourself what we studied. It's good for your brain to refresh it, to activate it again, right? So you will have the answer keys at the answer section, but please don't look at it before you write it yourself. Thank you for watching. Thank you for listening. I really miss you all a lot, and I know that you can do your best. I will wait till the day I see you in the school, and we will review all what we studied now. So please keep yourself good and take care of yourself. Thank you all.